Hi, this is Eva for Once Upon a Timeline, and today we're going to discuss bird brain eating praying mantises and wart eating crickets. Okay, so here's an older Emmy here, and I think this is the one that started it, and it was spiders eating hummingbirds. They would ambush them at a feeder and kill them and eat them. Okay, so you've probably seen this older Emmy. Well, now this one has evolved. So now we have praying mantises devouring bird brains all over the world. So there's the praying mantis lying in wait. There he is getting a bird and eating out its brains. They're also saying that it's not just hummingbirds, but other small songbirds that are sometimes heavier than hummingbirds. So this insect type preying on birds thing apparently is expanding now to include other kinds of insects. That's pretty gross, but then it gets much grosser. So apparently they have this wart eating cricket. I found this on a subreddit called W2TF. It's the post here, Katie did eating a dude's wart. Okay, I'm going to click on it. This is kind of gross looking, but here it is. So this Katie did is munching away on this guy's wart, which is super gross. Anyways, we don't need to watch that too long, I don't think. So is this even real? Okay, well, here's another video of another guy, and a similar thing. He has a wart. He put this cricket on his hand. It ran over there and started chowing down. So this guy apparently, this is kind of a documentary vlog here, Storyteller Media. It's supposed to be truthful documentaries. The guy they have on here whose wart is getting chomped on is this guy, Matthew Robinson, Senior Keeper, London Zoo, UK. Now his story is that he was investigating this wart eating cricket, and he put it on his finger because he's the one who had a wart, and it ran right over to the wart and started chomping on it and ate the whole wart. So apparently these crickets love to eat warts, and they're one of Britain's rarest creatures. That's right, it was used in the past to bite off warts. So apparently these used to be, the story is that they were very populous and numerous in the UK originally, but now they're almost extinct. Whereas for me, I never heard of them. I think it's running in reverse for me. I think we'll hear more and more about these. But this is them, the wart biter. Decticus vericivorus is a bush cricket in the family Tetagonidae. Its English and scientific name is derived from the age-old practice of using the cricket to bite warts from the skin. So there's the latest weirdness. This is Eva signing off for Once Upon a Timeline.